This is reporter Alex. I'm in Stadium Gardens, in Kingston, and currently I'm just assessing the situation with Sandy as it passes over Jamaica. It's according to my calculation in Stadium Garden. It's quite calm, a little windy, not too hard, a little drizzle, waiting for it to get harder. Yeah. You can see things are starting to pick up. A lot of wind, rain coming down. Alright, here the reporter Alex, now coming to you from the National Arena. Okay, one of the designated shelter for Kingston and St. Andrew. As you can see, there's a lot of wind. Things are picking up. See what's going on here. Yeah. After I see the wind passing by. See? Yeah, man.
Miss Constable want come lock me up. Me no know what she do. She want lock me up. Hey, Miss Constable want come lock me up. Me no know what me do. She want lock me up. Me about 1 week she want lock me up. Don't need the witch she want lock me up. So she see me with the witch she want lock me up. But so she knows that she want lock me up, and she knows that she. The rest of mine. You know why? Copyright. Kick.
Okay. Even situation of national disaster, you have forces to entertain us, the Jamaican spirit. See, the wind is picking up very heavy.